Sharon says, my 26-year-old son is starting to get dry skin on his scalp. Which Morrocco Method products would you suggest? Okay, so I can already tell for a 26-year-old boy that you're using different types of styling products. That's what's causing dry scalp. So if you're using pomades, styling gels, that's all liquid plastic polymers. So Morrocco Method has two great styling projects. Blood of the Dragon, which is a nice soft product, and we also have the pomade for stronger holds. Pick at least 2 to 3 shampoos and alternate them. Don't use any other shampoos. That's what's drying out your scalp. I see so much hair loss in the youth, and it's mostly coming from polymers, liquid plastic, petroleum. Not good. Okay, Blood of the Dragon to the rescue and try our pomades. You'll be very, very pleasantly happy. How to care for gray hair. Gray hair and white hair is our modern new blonde hair. You really want to stay natural as possible. You don't want to have anything that's really chemical into your hair products. They will definitely start turning the gray yellow. Alternate our shampoos, alternate our conditioners. Your gray hair will be nice and shiny, and white hair can become actually platinum, which is spectacular. I encourage you all to stop the hair color, look at our hennas, stay as healthy as possible. Our health is our wealth. Can elixirs be used on your fingernails, toenails, and eyebrows? Yes, just be careful not to get the oil into your eyes directly. It won't do any damage, but it'll definitely be irritating. Can henna be used on toe fungus? Yes, of course. Henna is really very healthy, natural plant, and it should definitely take care of a toe fungus. I would do the colorless, natural conditioning henna or on eyebrows. Now, I really recommend not to do eyebrows with henna because we really don't want to get that into your eyes. Jennifer, I've been using the Lunar Hair Chart for cutting my hair for several years, but I've never used the products before. I'm planning my first trim on the summer solstice. Well, we really encourage all of you lunar calendar patrons to start using the products that go along with each and every element. So I really highly recommend you try it. You'll be pleasantly surprised at the great improvements. So if you're going to be cutting your hair for those 5 elements, also add in Morrocco Method shampoos, alternate conditioners, try our brushing and scalp massaging techniques, and watch our videos. We have hundreds of videos on how to cut your own hair, color your own hair, get your hair thicker, more luxurious, and especially how to eliminate hair loss and hair thinning. If I'm coloring my hair at the same appointment, would it be better to do the full moon or summer solstice? So coloring the hair doesn't really matter what date you do. It's cutting the hair that really is the lunar calendar. But for coloring, any date will do. So that's convenient.